If I asked you to describe your community, you'd probably talk about your family, your neighbors, your friends, and that one guy who refuses to bring his trash bins in on time. But in ecology, the word community means something a bit different. An ecological community is a group of different species living in the same area and, this is key, interacting with each other. So your backyard, total hotspot of community action.
A community is kind of like an ecosystem, but without the abiotic stuff like weather, rocks, or the smell of rain on the pavement. We're talking just the living, breathing, eating, reproducing members of the biological world.
Species don't just awkwardly coexist, they interact, and those interactions come in all flavors, helpful, harmful, and just meh. Take predation, a classic example. One animal eats another. It's sad for the prey, but helpful for the predator. That's a plus-minus relationship. Or herbivory, plants being munched on by animals. Same deal, but now the plants are the ones in danger.
Let's start with plants. You might think they're helpless, but it turns out they're more like green chemists. Some produce toxins like nicotine or caffeine, not just to keep you awake in class, but to make themselves taste terrible to insects. Others use physical defenses. Think thorns, spines, or even leaf hairs that trap or injure small herbivores with spikes. And it doesn't stop there. Some plants get super dramatic when attacked. Radish plants, for example, ramp up their internal chemistry after being munched on. A study by Dr. Anurag Agarwal showed that after insect damage, radish plants produce spicier, stronger offspring, like going from mild salsa to full-on ghost pepper mode.
Now let's talk about animals. Evolution has blessed them with some serious survival skills too. Many animals rely on camouflage, blending into their environment like fuzzy ninjas. Think leaf-tailed geckos, stick insects, snowy owls, hiding in the plain sight of the masters of disguise. Others go to the opposite direction. They flash warning coloration to advertise, "Hey, I'm toxic, leave me alone." Like poison dart frogs or monarch butterflies. Bright colors in nature often mean dangerous.
Then there's competition. When two species want the same resource, they both lose. It's like fighting your roommate over the last slice of pizza. Nobody wins. Sometimes species figure out with resources portioning, splitting time or space so they're not stepping on each other's toes or paws or roots.
Parasites are freeloaders. They get all the benefits while the host pays the price. It's like having a guest who eats your snacks, steals your Wi-Fi, and never leaves. On the flip side, there's mutualism, where everybody wins, like bees and flowers. Pollination in exchange for nectar. Sweet deal, literally. And then there's commensalism, where one species benefits and the other doesn't care either way, like birds chilling on a buffalo.
Now, not all species have equal influence. Some are what we call keystone species, organisms that hold the entire community together even if their population isn't huge. Beavers literally shape rivers. Elephants turn forests into grasslands. And bees, without them, our food web would collapse faster than your group projects when one person ghosts. When species at the top, like wolves or lions, keep herbivore populations in check, it's called top-down regulation. Fewer deer equal more grass, which equals happy plants, which equals a stable community.
Community ecology isn't just about who eats whom. It's about how life adapts, cooperates, competes, and recovers. Every species, no matter how small, plays a part in the wild, tangled web of life. Even you. So the next time you see a bee or a bird or a butterfly, remember that they're not just pretty, they're part of your community too.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow nature nerd, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of life.